Hi, I am Brandon Lee. I am an indie developer. I am working on a game called Tennessee RPG. What is Tennessee RPG, you might ask? Well, Tennessee RPG is a game. It's a really cool game. It started off as a joke from most of my friends. I wanted to make it, so I made it on my 3DS. All the programming was done on a 3DS. I had no computer to work on, legit. I was working on my 3DS. I used a little program called Smile Basic. It's a neat little tool, I must say. However, working on a 3DS is not fun. Especially when the 3DS is only around, I don't know, like 3 inches. No, that's a little small. Anyways, I didn't want to, so I got myself a laptop. That is so much better. I guess I'm gonna be doing developer logs to kind of, get people into this game that I really want to be a thing. That I've been working on for, I don't know, past couple years. I worked on the 3DS build since I started around 6th, 7th grade. I am currently freshman in high school, so that's around 2 to 3 years. That's fair. But not too long ago, I started porting it to Unity. Now, Unity has made everything so much easier, and I've gotten a lot done over the course of a couple days, maybe. So, this is a developer log, number 1. So, this is my computer. I have Unity. Here's the Unity project. Now, as a programmer, personally, I am terrible at graphics. In fact, all of the graphics you see in this video are from me. Some of them aren't that bad. Some of them are just straight horrid. This is the player, by the way. Now, from a glance, it might seem not that bad. Sure, it could be worked on, but it looks like a person. You can tell it's a person. But if I open up here in my scenes folder, the main scene, here we go, and we play the scene, and you see the walk cycle. So, it's your basic scene. And then the walk cycle. Yeah, not that good. I suck at graphics. I really do. Some things are okay. You could tell this is a house. You could tell this is a sign. And you could tell these are trees in a uniform position. But really, you can't tell what this is, and that's kind of intentional, but you could tell what things are, but they're not pretty looking. That's my weak point that I kind of want to fix on, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is for the programming aspect of it. So what I have so far is, of course, I got the graphics, I got collision. That's a thing. You can't walk into houses, but this specific house over here you can knock on by acting with it. Now, hold on, my audio is really quiet here. Alright. You can interact with signs and read them. This one's called, we're the twins. Please don't bother us. Just basic stuff like that. Here we go. Here's, all the houses are red, so I called this red estates. Simple as that. You can't interact with the water fountain. That's not a thing yet. You can interact with this thing here, which for some reason has a collider. And this is just a test object. What I'm planning is that this will not be in the original game, or the final product. when you interact with this as starting animation, and it uses its little animation. This is used for testing animations. So that's cool and all. But is that all that's here? Well, I mean, we have a little boardwalk here with a pretty lazy graphic. It was supposed to be a boat, but I was too lazy to draw it, so. You know, what else are you supposed to do? You can walk around to this boardwalk. You can't walk off. You can go inside the boat, but there's literally no point because it gets you stuck and you can't exit the boat. So that's a thing, I guess. The entire map is huge. We got this little area, and that's just a third of it. So yeah, this is the only thing that's really populated at this point. It's not even fully populated. I mean, we have this area right here that needs worked on. So that's a thing. Alright, so the battle scene has a little bit different story. It has a lot more UI to it than the other one. Oh, I forgot to show off. So I have a basic pause menu. You hit escape, and it brings you to this little menu. You have your inventory, your stats, going back to the main menu, and just resuming to the game. I should probably label that resume. Your inventory. Your inventory is not that much to start off the game. You have 1 potion, an old shirt, and a basic racket. What does all this mean? Well, we have the potion, which does what a potion should do in a video game, just heal you. The normal potion heals, I forgot how much health, I think it heals 10. I'm not sure at this point. We have the old shirt, which is one of the 3 shirts or top clothing items, I don't know. It is the weakest one, and what it does is it's used for defense. The old shirt has a 15% chance that you will defend in battle, which is really low. The stylish tee has, I forgot, I think it's 50? Not sure. And the quality jacket has a 75% chance that you will defend. So, of course, it'll go old shirt, stylish tee, quality jacket, and so on. The basic racket. Now, the basic racket is a racket. And, you need rackets for playing tennis. So, your basic racket deals 1 damage. I have a document somewhere, but I forgot where I put it, with all the values. Basic racket, advanced racket, and ultra racket. Of course, going in ascending order from weakest to strongest. Now that we got these, what are these right here? So, we covered the potion. That's that. This green potion right here, well, it's vaguely green because it is locked, and, locked items tend to be faded out, so I might as well. This is the high potion. The high potion heals more than the regular potion. Then what's this? This is the ultra potion. This is cyan. It heals more than the high potion. So now we've got those 3. What are the rest? So these are what you call elixirs. Now they serve the same purpose as potions. They heal you. Except they heal in percentages. So with a potion, let's say it heals, 10 health. Well, our elixir is going to heal 20% of our maximum health. And the maximum health can change over the span of the game. And that's that. So, our statistics. Right now, that doesn't do anything except for display a message that says to do. Tell Brandon to work faster, which is just beautiful. Main menu brings you to the main menu and resume or back. So the main menu. The main menu is relatively simplistic. We got ourselves the play button, which brings you to a file system. Instant battle, which brings you to a demo battle currently. Credits, and exit, which just leaves the entire game. So why don't we take a look at the battle scene? The battle scene's a little different. So, well, I mean, I have to fix that, but, there's two little modules, I've called them. There's the U module, which displays the player's, health statistics, and there's the enemy's statistics. Alright. The enemy's statistics. Currently he has 10 health. I have 100, which I need to fix. I'm going to make it so that the player starts off with 10 health and deals 2 base damage, I think. Yeah, that's it. That's what the basic racket deals. 2 base damage. Over here, focusing on the bottom left-hand corner, we have 4 options: attack, defend, technique, and item. Attacking does a basic attack. You know, you hit the enemy with a tennis ball. That is how you attack in this game. You hit people with tennis balls. It's fun. Defending. So this, depending on your shirt, or I guess your top, it gives you a chance to block the next attack. Or block the next turn, I should say. So, let's say the player defends. That takes up their turn. Then the enemy attacks. The enemy will throw a tennis ball at you. It'll miss. However, there is not an absolute chance that you will defend. And it'll say, snap, you've failed to defend, or something along the lines of that. It's pretty simple. Technique. Now, these are your heavier attacks, such as maybe a flaming tennis ball or something. Really, I haven't come up with any techniques right now. They're all just placeholders, and all they do is attack, so that's wonderful. Going back here, last thing is item, which brings up the same exact little inventory system here with a little sound bug. It makes the clicking noise when you go left and right, but not when you go up and down. So that's pretty simple. So why don't we go through and do a little demo. So let's say I want to attack this enemy. You attacked enemy, dealt 4 damage. Whoa. Okay, so here's an example of the enemy trying to defend. It tried to defend, but it failed. So, there's that. Let's try defending. Shoot, you couldn't defend. So, it's funny because I have a list of interjections. So this could be shoot, darn. I have a whole list that I could just make. And that's broken. Okay, so right now, the enemy only moves if you attack it. So if you defend, nothing will happen and the game will soft lock. If you use a technique, well, you can't use a technique yet, but the game would theoretically soft lock. If you use an item, the game will soft lock. So that's that. And last but not least, I guess I should cover the main menu. I already did that. I do, however, want to go over the file system. So you have a chance to make a new game. You can load an existing game or go back to the main menu. So that's that. And the credits, well, I hope you guys know how credits work. I really do. So yeah. That is Tennessee RPG as of the current date, which looks like it's the 8th of June. So I hope this goes out well. I shall see you guys in the next dev update.